Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to set up a BitLocker on Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type manage BitLocker. Click on open it. You just need to select the drive you want to add BitLocker in this list and then select turn on BitLocker. Select use your password to unlock the drive and you just need to type the password. Re-enter the password. After typing it, select next. You just need to select save to a file. This will get the recovery key. Select the save option to save it. After saving it, select next. Select encrypt used disk space only and select next. Select compatible mode and select next. Select start encrypting. After getting done, the drive has been unlocked guys. Now you just need to close off here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to open up File Explorer and go to this PC. As you can see, my D drive is locked. To open that, you just need to double click on it. Type the BitLocker password. After typing it, select unlock. Now my drive is unlocked. Just double click on it to open it. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.